All over the back of your arm, baby.
Trent,
You're gonna get it on your arm.
go over there.
Good.
Go.
Your arm.
Reese, your arm.
go.
The one with the spoon in it. Wipe that off. Are you done? You don't have to eat anymore.
I just want to video.
They're gonna be sick.
That's why they split it.
Stop. It's nothing to do with that. You're just going fast. Okay, well, stop. Stop. Take a drink of water. Get a napkin. Wipe